the enemy Satan afanye kazi vile Wakristo anafikiria. Kitu cha kwanza, Shetani, the devil is not everywhere. Shetani hayuko kila mahali. That is one. It is only God who is literally everywhere. The devil is not everywhere. So how is he finding you in your house? Because it's not big enough to be everywhere. So the enemy is not big enough to be in everybody's house. Tunaelewana? It's not big enough to be in everybody's house, or everybody's money, or everybody's business. No, it's not that big. So what makes his presence to be felt everywhere in people's lives, in people's families, in people's children, in people's bodies, in people's businesses? I just want to preach to somebody. See, the devil works with something we call system. He uses a system.
Join us every Sunday in our power-packed services and Christocentric messages, teaching, miracles, signs and wonders to build your faith and spiritual life with man of God, Apostle Richard M.K.
Power is exhibited or manifested when we go across the world. And Jesus said, go ye all over the world, preach the gospel, teaching, observation, those three things, healing people. And that is what I'm committed to do. I'm committed to do Christocentric messages across the world.
In the name of Jesus! In the name of Jesus! In the name of Jesus! Oh my God! Oh Lord! In the name of Jesus! We're free! Follow me! Follow me! Follow me! In front!
Join me in doing that to the glory of God in heaven. Thank you.
The Ministry of Jesus Christ is located between Happiness Studio and Arusha Meet, 300 meters opposite Panai Tower in Kitengela Town. For inquiries or support, use mobile number 0715 711 026, 0715 711 026. You are welcome.